I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together. And now I'll show you how this Shabby Chic project was done.
The fastest way to get any kind of change is to paint. Now with Shabby Chic, you have the control of how much whitewash you want to put on it. So I added the paint, and this is too thick for what I'm looking for. I added a little bit more of my non-sanded grout, put a little bit more water in it. The paint was already in it. Yeah, I think that's it. So it's pretty dilute. So let's go see on the accessories if we want more paint or how that's going to be. I kind of want more of just a whitewash. So I have my base coat on all of my accessories, and this is the same base coat I put in the potting shed. So you can see that it's really white. It just looks darker. So here's what we're going to do. We've mixed up just more of a wash. You see the color difference? And I'm just gonna kind of just streak it a little bit. Kind of just want the whitewash effect. We'll be going in the potting shed. So let's just see how that does. And here's a time if you have any showing. Got a little bit of coverage. Not a lot on the whitewash though. But you can always go over it. This is a plate. I thought it was so pretty on the back side. This is a great piece. Old watering cans are the best. Easy. So cute. On to 2 brushes. I kind of like it. Looks kind of shabby chic to me. Awesome.